Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make vegan Greek yogurt. First, gather your ingredients. You will need 1/2 gallon of unsweetened plain soy milk, 2 probiotic capsules with at least 30 billion live cultures, and 1 tablespoon of agar-agar powder. Always choose unsweetened soy milk to ensure proper fermentation and a balanced flavor. These simple components are key to creating a delightful, tangy, and creamy homemade vegan Greek yogurt experience. Begin by gently heating the soy milk and agar-agar powder in a saucepan, stirring until the agar-agar dissolves completely. Let the mixture cool down to around 108 degrees Fahrenheit. This specific temperature is crucial for probiotic activation. Carefully open the 2 probiotic capsules and stir the powder into the cooled soy milk. Transfer this mixture to a clean jar, cover it, and allow it to ferment in a warm spot for 8 to 12 hours, or until it has noticeably thickened. Once fermented, your yogurt will be thicker but not yet Greek yogurt consistency. To achieve that signature thickness, line a fine mesh sieve with 2 layers of cheesecloth and place it over a bowl. Pour the fermented yogurt into the cheesecloth-lined sieve. Refrigerate this setup for at least 4 hours, or ideally overnight, allowing the excess whey to drain. The longer it strains, the denser and creamier your vegan Greek yogurt will become. Your freshly made vegan Greek yogurt is now ready to enjoy. Transfer it to an airtight container and store it in the refrigerator for up to 5 days. This versatile yogurt is perfect for breakfast with fresh berries and granola, or a touch of pure maple syrup. You can also use it in savory applications like creamy salad dressings, dips, or as a cooling accompaniment to spicy dishes, making it a delicious and healthy addition to many meals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.